Live in Japan. Look, man. Look at the shutters. These are very famous images as well, because when the shops are open, you cannot see these images. You know what I'm saying? At a certain time of night, they close. But it just goes to show you right now we are live at Sensō-ji Temple. Giving y'all a tour of Sensō-ji Temple. Very historical. Look at the temples. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. You know, I'm asking a lot of questions to people, bro. I'm one of them people. I'm not scared to ask people questions. I'm asking people, like, what is this? What does that mean? You know, some people don't want to ask people stuff. No, man, ask. You'll never know if you don't ask. All of these images are very historical. Very historical. You know what I mean? Very historical. I don't really want to get in no one's way. See, all of these images, very historical. This is another temple, it seems, right? Let's go check it out right here. Ooh, pretty dope. Look at that. Pretty dope. Ooh, cool. No entry. Very famous images on these shutters. And that's the main gate, is where I'm headed to, the main gate. I just came from the main temple, actually. Let's see some of these side streets to see what they look like as well. That's crazy. Wow. That is amazing, bro. That's crazy. I never seen nothing like that in my life. She got a case like with a camera that could zoom. Oh my God, you can see that close? That's crazy. Look how clear that is and close that is. Wow. That is amazing, bro.